Up first this evening, confirmation this evening that the taxi driver seen in a viral video during a police chase in a car packed with passengers has been arrested and charged. The 26-year-old man, Jamoy Pusey, has been charged with dangerous driving among other offenses. As Kalisha Williams reports, the police have revealed that Mr. Pusey has multiple unpaid traffic tickets.
A dangerous chase in Mannings Hill, St. Andrew terrified passengers begging this taxi driver, 26-year-old Jamoy Pusey, to stop the car as he desperately tried to elude the police. But the driver maintained his composure and continued along the horrifying journey. Again, the passengers begged for their lives.
Let me out! Let me out!
With every minute that went by, there were several near-miss accidents. Vehicles in the opposite direction swerved to avoid the unruly driver. But one man was not so lucky as the taxi slammed into his motorcycle. Still, the taxi driver, seemingly unbothered, did not stop to check. Then about 10 minutes into the recording, this. Then finally, the driver surrendered and stopped the car. The passengers were both relieved and traumatized, especially this woman gripping a child. The driver was immediately arrested, but this policeman could not hold back his frustration. At a press conference today, the police gave an update on the incident.
I can confirm that the driver was arrested and charged.
Mr. Pusey is facing charges of dangerous driving, among other offenses. The police said Mr. Pusey has since been released on station bail and is to appear before the courts later this month. They also revealed that he has 19 unpaid traffic tickets. But was the police wrong for firing what appeared to be warning shots during the chase?
The matter is under investigation by Indicom. When I spoke to the commanding officer this morning, I was still not in receipt of full details of the incident. So I would not want to speculate at this point until I have more information.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.